evening. Hi people. So today is Thursday evening, and my BMW F20 1 Series Club members are inviting everyone for a car meet. So I'm currently on Karak Highway, and our rendezvous point is at the Genting Sempah R&R car park, and yeah, we're going to meet everyone there, and then we will go up to Gotong Jaya Starbucks and have a cup of coffee. In fact, this is the first time that we are not stopping here. We are not RV at this BHP petrol station. We are going to Genting Sempah, McDonald's, R&R car park. And today is Thursday evening, so less traffic. Should be more of a fun drive. Not so familiar with this exit, so it's better to go slow so that I don't overshoot. So we are here, and where are the gang? Where are the gang? Yeah, I think I see them, but it's very limited parking space here. So here we are. This is Genting Sempah McDonald R&R. But since today is a weekday, so not many of us are here. So far we only have 5 cars, including myself, and we may wait a little bit longer and see whether there are more to come. This is K's F20. This is Haziq new F20. Mau kedai lagi ke? This is Fatan's F20 all the way from Kuantan.
Because of Haziq, we do.
Janganlah macam ni.
Yalah, ni upacara apa tu? Virgin Drive, Virgin TT.
Takutlah macam ni.
So we have a E81 coupe with us today. So there are 6 of us. Go bro. Boleh boleh. Take your time, take your time. Kena buka lampu baru nampak kot. So done taking photos and now we are heading to Petron Gotong Jaya. Jalan dulu, I take video. Let's roll. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 of us. Just nice, not too crowded. So dark. I think this is the second night drive for me. First time we went up through Uluyam and it was also dark as hell, and it was traffic was so heavy. It was not so fun actually. Try to stick with the convoy. Overshoot. Short fun,
Lampu kita boleh adjust ke? Yang ni boleh. Yang ada ni